Hey Greeley, we're here at the Rodarte Community Center today, an incredible resource for the youth of this community with so many enrichment programs and opportunities. And I'm here today with Brecken Arnold, the Recreation Supervisor, to talk about two of those coming up, and one of them being the Youth Adult Job Fair. So Brecken, I know that's a really great resource for the youth of this community. I know I wish I would have had that when I was looking for a job when I was a youth.
Right.
So can you tell us a bit about it, who can come, and when and where it will take place?
Yeah, absolutely. The Young Adult Job Fair is an annual job fair put on by Employment Services of Weld County and the City of Greeley Youth Enrichment Program. It will be on Wednesday, March 9th from 5 to 7:30 at Island Grove Event Center.
Great. And so who are some of the employers that the youth can look forward to being there?
So right now we're actively recruiting our employers, but two of the biggest employers there will be the City of Greeley Recreation Division and Employment Services of Weld County. The City of Greeley is looking to hire a lot of part-time employees, lifeguards, guest services reps, recreation program leads, and youth service specialists.
Awesome. So I know if you're young, you may not be familiar with the job application process. So what are the important things that they should bring? Can they apply on the spot, and can they expect to be hired on the spot?
Yeah, absolutely. So be prepared to bring a resume, plenty of copies of your resume, about 20 to 30. Dress professionally. A lot of employers will be interviewing on the spot, so you do want to be prepared for an interview. I don't know if you'll be able to be hired on the spot, but there are always those businesses that do come through that do things non-traditional. But there will also be navigators to help youth who have never been to a job fair, assist them in how they should approach employers, what they should ask, what they should not ask.
Such a great educational opportunity as they kind of are starting to be part of the workforce. And it's my understanding that this is one of the largest events in the county.
So it's one of the largest job fairs within Weld County that is put on. Yep.
And how many years do you think we've been doing this?
So I believe it's been about 30 years. So I've been involved for 14, but it keeps growing every year.
And have you gotten any kind of feedback from the youth that are involved? What do they say about it?
Yeah, it's really nice for youth to come to like a one-stop, shop for all the careers that they could get involved in the summer. So they're really happy to have all the businesses in one place, and they're prepared to talk to them.
That's so good. Like I said, not knowing what you can go to, what an incredible resource for young people to just have it all set up there at one event. So another event that's coming up that's really exciting and some people might not know about is the Youth Service Day Awards. Talk to us a little bit about that and how it even started.
So National Youth Service Day Awards started in the 1990s. So it is a nationally program just to bring awareness of how good it is to give back to the community and to recognize youth for going above and beyond. And so we've done this for probably the past 20 years within the City of Greeley. And so people within the community will nominate youth who are between the ages of 11 and 18 who have done community service within Greeley or they're residents of Greeley, just so that we can continue the importance of knowing what it means to give back to one's community.
And those are definitely behaviors you want to reinforce within the youth and
Yes.
let them know, continue this. This is such an amazing opportunity that you're doing for the community. So youth can actually be nominated, correct?
Yes.
Can you go into that?
Yeah, so youth can be nominated at greeleyrec.com. And once we do receive their application, our youth commission reviews those and decides who is going to be awarded. And there will be an award ceremony on Tuesday, April 19th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. And youth will actually receive a plaque from the City of Greeley mayor at a city council meeting.
So if they are nominated, how will they be alerted about that?
So they don't know that they're nominated. That's the thing. Is so once we review all the forms, and if they receive it, then we'll communicate with them. But they don't know that they're nominated.
So that's even more exciting. It's a reveal
Yes.
at the event, correct?
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, that is so exciting. Tons going on with the Rodarte Community Center. Thank you so much, Brecken, for sharing that with us.
Thank you.
Now, if you want to find out more information specifically about the Young Adult Job Fair, you can find that out at the community calendar at Greeley. greeleygov.com. Now, for the Youth Service Day Awards and to submit a nomination form, you want to go to greeleyrec.com. Thanks so much for tuning in.